Real traders feel the pain, yeah, we in the drought. Red candles stacking up, making people doubt. But the game don't end, it just tests your soul. Pressure makes diamonds, learning is the goal. We trade in both ways, mindset stays gold. Trading with the trend, watch the trade unfold. We study the charts like maps to a treasure. Using fib levels, every target measured.
Oh, better days are ahead, just trust the signs. Learning every day, then we climb. There's a market coming where it's hard to lose. Gain so loud, no time to snooze. Manage risk, don't rush the trade. Patient traders always elevate.
Better days in real traders don't fold, we adapt, we learn. Every loss is tuition for the profits we earn. Been stuck in the chop, yeah, it's been a grind. But full-fledged bull run, about to blow your mind. No sleep, only grind, the gains will be crazy. Learn how to trade now, don't be lazy.
Keep your head high, your cold
Don't be
wallet
lazy, I
closed.
love that.
The storm will pass, then the money flows. We've seen the bottom, now we rise to the moon, no compromise.
Real traders never quit. Real traders see the signs in the quietest zones before the hype hits and the media moans. It's patience, it's power, it's the calm before fight. Then the bull takes charge, and man, it's a sight. Don't chase the top, just be ready and wise. Better days ahead, watch for the prize. We've been here before, yeah, we know the script. Every cycle brings wealth when the mindset's equipped. Real traders never quit. Real traders never quit.
Oh, better days are ahead, just trust the signs. Learning every day, then we climb. There's a market coming where it's hard to lose. Gain so loud, no time to snooze. Manage risk, don't rush the trade. Patient traders always elevate.
Better days are quit. Yeah, we stand through the weather. Rain or shine, we rise together. Better days, better gains. Just wait.
And such a great message in this song. Real traders never quit. Better days are ahead. And we're seeing them too. We are seeing them. Well, why don't we see the charts? Well, let's do it then. In 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So I do thank you guys for being here. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you for smashing the like. Greatly appreciate you. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. Let me know. This is your 1 hour of free mentorship. We go over charts, we go over Bitcoin, we go over your coins, we go over the thought process it takes to have successful trades. Now, do we win all the time? Nope, sure don't. Matter of fact, last night, I think we posted 2. Here's my group. If you want to join it, let me know. This is the annual membership. Of course, you get a month free. You save a lot of money this way. If you just want to do the month to month, let me know. Trade_intuition. I will let you know about that. But and I tell you the wins and the losses. I don't hype up the group. I don't, oh, you join my group and I have all these which I do, that'll help and everything. But I don't, oh, we have all these admins and, we're going to get you up to, as far as like making all this tons of money. No, we win, we lose. I'm very honest, very straightforward. But last night we entered 2 shorts and, well, the market, the shorts were doing great when this was happening. When this was happening, it was doing great. We were trying to front run the break of this level, and it came down and it started coming up. And of course, due to us moving our stop losses and everything else, stopped out. And I don't think we were in profit in the shorts that I posted. Now, the short that one of the members posted killed it, absolutely killed it. And I was watching it too. And like, let me do this, I have to do other things. And I came back to it. And when I came back to it, he had already, posted, updated. It's like, oh man. I said, dude, I was so close to posting. So I entered it as well. And then it flipped. and he's on top of it. He notified the group. He's like, all right, guys, it's time to flip it. Let's go. And then sure enough, the shorts that we were in, there was one of them that looks exactly like it. Man, same pattern, everything. And I said, all right, let's move our stop loss. We're going to do it really tight so that if it does continue going up, well, then you can take it if you like for going along. But I had other charts that I think are going to do just as well, if not better. So I went ahead and posted those. I posted two. All right. We got Al in the house. What's up, Al? Appreciate you guys being here. Dylan, thank you so much for being here. Lil Caspa, love your name. Lil Caspa. It's much easier to say than your other name. So let's see here. Yo, what's good? Trading tuition and peeps. Let's freaking go. Hey, we have MG Motorsport in here. What's going on, man? What's going on? See, hope Bitcoin drops to 83.5. I would love it. I would love it for the shorts to play out. Right now, we're not in any shorts. We were in two. We got stopped out. And like I said, I'll let you know. I'll let you know our wins or losses. I never try to hype up our group more than it is. Our group is great, man. Great admins, great people. Lots of people learning in the group. It's crazy. We got James in the house. What's up, James? Appreciate you guys. Thank you again. Smashing the like. Let's go and get started, guys. Let's get started. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. If you have questions on indicators, there's a pretty good chance I know about it. There was one. I forgot what it was. AT something. It's the average of the prices. I don't use it. I had it on my favorites a long time ago. Average true range. And I don't use it. So we end up looking at, what the definition was, and it's like, oh, that's right, that's what it was. But I don't use it. But if there are indicators that you want to know about, let me know. And if I'm familiar with them, of course, I will let you know how they work, how to best use them. If I used them before and kind of just forgot because I don't use them now, then I'll let you know what they are. And we'll do the research together. We will do the research together. All right. So is my thought process still to where this is our plan A? Let's go ahead and move this over. Just that. Very good. So is this still my plan A? Sure is. Oh, I never wrote it down. So let's go plan A. Plan A. Oh, wait a minute. Well, I would like to see this happen. So there really is no plan A, plan B. I would really like to see this happen. If we get this drop, then it's fine too, because we'll trade what the market gives us. And you have to do that. You have to trade what the market gives you. You really do. I do want to see this to where we can finally break above 94,270 and start the potential bullish trend, uptrend, because we've been in this downtrend forever. See here, what says, can you put up the Gaussian channel also? Have you ever used it? I do. I mean, I have, but I don't use it. I can see this stuff, and I mean, you can just kind of see. But to be honest, like this, I don't even know where it's at. Gaussian channel, it's probably in here somewhere. But I mean, I mean, if you're newer, it's kind of hard to see stuff like this, but I mean, it's just channels. You can kind of see the average or the tops. There's that, and then there's possibly this, but let's see. Do y'all see it? I don't see it. Maybe I'm going too fast. Gaussian channel. I don't think it's on this one. I don't think it's on this one. Gaussian channel. Where is it at? I don't see it. I would think here. I don't know. I don't see it. Did the name change or something? Because I mean, we have parallel channels. We have, and for the parallel channels, you just go from the I prefer the absolute tops to the top. And then if you want, you can hold down shift so you can make a straight line if you're doing something like that. And so you kind of have a channel like that. But I didn't see the word Gaussian in here. You have all these other ones too. I don't know. Give me the real name, man. Is it an indicator or what is it? I thought it was a tool. I don't know. Where is it? How do you find it? Let me know. All right. Let's see here. So this is what I would like. So we've been in the downtrend, and we kind of started the potential uptrend here, but then it rolled over. Yeah, you got to do the correct spelling and everything, man, because I don't think there's a. Yeah, you got to do the correct spelling for me and everything, like the full name of it, because if not, I'm not gonna sit here and try to guess. I don't know if you're like talking about fib levels or fib channels. You're talking about. I'm pretty sure it's something like this, where it gives you the different, like a zone. See here. See here. It's an indicator. Oh, it's an indicator. Oh, well then give me the full name of the indicator and who it's by. Because if not, I'll be wasting time. There is one in indicators. Yeah, I need full names, man. If not, I'll just waste time like I just did right now. Let's see here. So and I don't use them, you know, but let me know the full name, and that way I can look for it and see. But here we did come down here. This is our main level that we need to break. This is on the daily. We did break the level, and then we just shot straight up. I don't like when this does this. So I would like to see it retrace and come up either here or here. And the reason I have these two levels is if we use the fib extension, go from the lowest part to the absolute highest part, you can see that 0.5 is right here. And then some of these, I've noticed it lately, has been going to like the 23-ish area, which will be right here. Here's the 382 way down here. So in my opinion, it's going to come to here. I would think more here. Let's go ahead and adjust this. It depends on how bullish everybody is. If people are bullish, very bullish, then if we get a pullback, which hopefully we do, come down here, then come up. This is much healthier than it going up, kind of traveling in this little small box and then going up. That's not healthy. Not healthy at all. In my opinion, the higher probability of it pulling back is great. However, we have to realize that we're dealing with people, and people may start getting really bullish, and you know, there might be something in the news or what have you, and it creates a catalyst to where it just moon mission. So that's one thing I'm looking at. Let's see here. Any coins, guys? Any coins? Questions? Indicators? And now, when you have indicators, make sure to give me the full details. Because right now it sounds like it has 2 syllables, or however you do the thing. It's like, I don't know. What you talking about? I know what you're talking about. All right. But yeah, there's a lot of different tools over here. I'm not sure what you're referring to. But let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we see more data. And I actually, so whenever I say wrecked, it just means I got stopped out. I got wrecked when I tried to short, I believe here. I was on the 15-minute, I believe, or 5-minute. Once was it here? Yeah. So once it broke this level, you know, safer is for this level. But once it broke this level, I entered a short, coming down really nicely. Came down here, beautiful. I'm expecting to come up and then roll over. Here's our decision point for our rollover. And it said nope. And it went all the way up here, and I got stopped out. Very high leverage. Got stopped out. Like, all right. I entered again too. I got stopped out twice. Was it twice on Bitcoin? I don't remember. Oh no, this was on the live stream yesterday where I entered a coin. It was a short and I got stopped out too. So I was like, maybe the shorts are going to play out. And so I got stopped out on those both live. See here, can we look at total 3, total 1? Yeah, sure, definitely. So right now, Bitcoin, it came down, came up, looking weak, looking like it wants to roll over. Here's our dome or our bowl. And it said, nope. This will be our decision point right here. And right now, steadily going up. This is very boring to me. I don't like this. I like this. Up, down, up, down. This right here, very boring. I don't like it. But we may come up, come down, and then maybe break through here. And if we do, then our longs are going to do really, really nice. So we'll see. We shall see. So let us look at total 3. Well, first let's do total. So total, let's go to the daily. All right. So what does this tell us? This tells us what the entire market cap is doing. This is total for the entire market. And right now, it has been going up. Bitcoin, alts, everything's going up. And we have resistance, right? I thought we were going to go up here. But we went up and then boop, came down. Bear trap. Get out of here, bears. We don't want you. We don't want you. Who streams right now? That's what I want to know. Who streams right now? Because I'm always changing my times. Let me know in the chat. Who streams right now? Who is streaming right now? And I notice my admins aren't in here either. Nobody's streaming. Not that I know of. Blockchain basement. Who's streaming right now, guys? Help me out. Because I'm literally changing my times so we can get more people. And I noticed the past couple days, admins aren't here. The viewers are really, really low. I don't know. I don't see anybody. It will be a mystery unless you can help. Unless you can help. Yeah, people are leaving right now. Who's live right now? Crypto Banter. Okay. Who else? Man, I don't think I'm gonna do 12 o'clocks anymore. This is like what, the second day in a row? Oh, I think yesterday people were saying that their notification wasn't on or weren't being notified. But I go live every day, 12 p.m. It doesn't change. Monday to Friday. So I don't know. Shit, man, I think I'm gonna have to be going live like 3 times a day just so I can get people. Because I need the people. I need the people. So this is the selfish part of me. Joe, get on with it. Dance, monkey, dance. This is the selfish part of me. I want to know what coins you're looking at. Because there are some times where I'm not looking at those coins, and if you suggest a coin, I look at it like, oh wow, this one looks good. It was kind of on my radar, but like way in the back of the list. And now, man, this looks really good. My alert didn't go off yet, but it's ready. That's the selfish part of me. But if there's nobody in here, well, then I can't do that. So plus I teach y'all too. So there we go. All right. So daily total 3, total market cap. This is our level of $2.92 trillion, and we're right there. We're right at resistance. Are we going to break down and then potentially break out again and do something like, so this, you could call this a double bottom, but it's really a lower low. You could call this an Adam and Eve if you're, a pattern person who squints their eyes really tight. and forces patterns. Sui is ripping, yeah, Sui's ripping, and the one that follows Sui is SEI. Might want to look at that one, or request me to look at it, but just to let you know. So we can take a look at Sui. We can definitely take a look at Sui. All right. Let's see here. So this one to me, it's looking good. We broke this level, which is good. We broke out of this box, which is excellent. We were facing right at resistance. Like as soon as we came out of it, boom, resistance. Hopefully, you know, this is what I'm looking at potentially. Comes down to about here, you know, re-enters the box. No biggie, no problem. People taking profit, good. And then boom, blast off. Moon mission, let's go. Let's freaking go. Now, let's look at total 2. What is total 2? Total 2 is everything except Bitcoin. So this is the entire market cap except Bitcoin. And you can see that it's 1.03 trillion. And this is my analogy of market caps. It doesn't tell me what's going to happen for my coin. It tells me what's going to happen for the entire market potentially. But I can see if the market is good by simply looking at coins. This is my analogy of a rainstorm. And I won't bore you with this stuff. If you want to know it, let me know. But if not, it's quite all right. We are in a very steep downtrend. And this again is everything except for Bitcoin. Our level that we need to watch here is right here. About 109 trillion, 1.09 trillion. We did break this level, which was really nice. And we're starting to come up. Again, this is on the daily time frame. And potentially, for this one, we might see it go up before potentially retracing, people taking profit, and moon mission. Let's go. Moon mission. So that is that one. Let us go to a total 3. This is everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see the watermark right here. I had that on the whole time. Let's see here. Let's see here. This is what we're looking at. I guess way over here. And we're saying possibly up, down, break to this level. Then let's friggin' go. Let's go. And we were in this channel for a little bit. Well, I won't say a little bit. These are days. And once we broke out of this channel, boom. Could we have broken down the other way? Sure, of course. But here we broke out this way. And oh yeah, I forgot. Move this down so y'all can see the dates. This was November. So if I'm ever blocking the dates because I have my toolbar here as far as my favorite tools, just let me know. Hey Joe, can you move the toolbar down so we can see the dates? Yeah, no problem. But don't say, can you move it down? I have no idea what you're talking about. So here we're in this range and we could have come down. But if we go up, well, then this is really good for all the alts except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And sure enough, you know, November, we broke out of this and whoo, coming up to resistance, got rejected, came down and said, no way, Jose, I'm going to the moon. You can either come with me or you can be left behind. Now, boom, here we go. Now, seeing this is the overall market, except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Can this go up and your specific coin go down? Sure. Can this go down and your specific coin go up? Sure. This is just the overall market. While we're here, let's look at Bitcoin dominance. This is the dominance Bitcoin has over the entire market. Think of it as a pie, and like a pie chart, not pecan pie or apple pie or what other pies are there? Pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie. I actually prefer sweet potato pie. Joe, yeah, I'm hungry. I prefer sweet potato pie over pumpkin pie. They kind of taste the same, but sweet potato pie is to me sweeter. All right, moving on. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer sweet potato pie or pumpkin pie? And if you've never tasted sweet potato pie, then let me know. Let me know. Here we go. Let's see here. You see here, USDT dominance getting a nice dump. Nice. We're gonna look at that one too next, and then we're gonna get Sui. So right now, Bitcoin dominance, we are coming up. What does this mean? Good question. What does this mean? Do I have it here? Yes, I do. So when a Bitcoin dominance, let me go ahead and do this. So when Bitcoin dominance is going up and also Bitcoin is going up, this means it's Bitcoin season. Now, the easiest way to remember this, generally the alts follow Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is doing very nice, alts do very nice. When the dominance of Bitcoin is up and Bitcoin is up, even though the alts are doing well, Bitcoin is outperforming the alts, hence Bitcoin season. So they're still doing good, Bitcoin and the alts. It's just more people are buying Bitcoin, creating the dominance, the pie chart to increase for Bitcoin. Now, when Bitcoin dominance goes up and Bitcoin starts coming down or is going down, this is not good. Once again, the alts follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's going down, there's a good chance alts are going down. If alts are going down and Bitcoin's going down, but the dominance of Bitcoin is still going up, that means people are selling their alts much faster than what they're selling Bitcoin. So because of that, the dominance of the alts is reducing and Bitcoin's dominance also reducing, but not at the same speed as the alts, which in turn, in the bigger picture, is actually creating the dominance going up. So I think I said that correct. The alts are coming down, so the dominance is lessening. Bitcoin is coming down, but even though it's going down because a lot more people are selling their alts, even though this is coming down, this dominance is still going up because more people are exiting the alts. This is when the alts get hit the hardest. This is not fun. This is, ooh, not good. Bear market. But we can short, we can make money. Pumpkin pie, but I like both. Thank you, CJ. Appreciate you. Let's see here. When the dominance of Bitcoin goes down, this is what we're looking for, guys. When the dominance, so we want the dominance to go up and then boom, come down. When the dominance comes down and Bitcoin's going up, again, the alts follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's going up, the alts are going up. Bitcoin's going down, the alts are going down. Simple way to think of it. So if Bitcoin goes up and the alts are going up, but the dominance of Bitcoin is reducing, that's saying that more people are buying alts and it's taking over the dominance of Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin's going up, the alts are outperforming Bitcoin so that the dominance is coming down. This is what we want. This is what we're looking for. This is why people look at Bitcoin dominance. Then, of course, when we have this coming down and Bitcoin coming down, the alts follow Bitcoin and the alts are moving sideways or bleed slowly. So once again, Bitcoin goes up, alts go up, Bitcoin goes down, alts go down. And then this tells us, are we buying more alts than Bitcoin? If so, the dominance of Bitcoin is coming down all season. This is why this is very important. All right, moving on. So right now we are looking at a Bitcoin dominance on the daily time frame. Let's go ahead and just zoom in. And we had this level of possible resistance right here. We ended up breaking in and we said, just playing, coming down. Then it said, nope, dominance coming up. And again, this is when we have to look at Bitcoin as well to see what's going on. And then it continues going up, slight retrace, up, 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 and slight retrace. Now, what we're looking for, let's go to the weekly time frame once again. We're looking for 65.55, which is this level right here. This, we're back in 2020. This was a very nice level. The next level that we have, does it mean that it has to come up here? No. Could it go up higher? Sure, why not? But these are just levels that have been done in the past, in history. So this is giving us this level of 70.35. Now, granted, it's not the absolute highest, which was at 73. 63. And of course, this was way back in the day when the alts, I mean, we had like one alt, Ethereum. But just playing, guys. Just playing. But this is what I'm looking at right here. So these are the levels. If we come up to these levels, great. If we don't come up to these levels and we go lower, create lower highs, well, then we can know for next season that we may not even reach the height of the previous season, which would be this current season. All right. So we did that. Let us go to let's go to the dollar dominance. So the dollar dominance. We went over this as well. The reasons why this could increase or decrease. We've done this before, and the main reason that it could increase is one, people getting out of trades and they're just holding it on the sidelines, or people, you know, buying USDT from their fiat, from their bank, buying USDT and holding it for the sidelines. So it could mean two things. One, people are selling, panicking, and getting out of their trade, just holding it, getting ready for another trade, or maybe for holding it for a few months till the dust settles. Or it could be that they're buying it up and they're just waiting. So here we do see that we have, I'm gonna try, what's the date? Wednesday, Thursday? Yeah, this is ridiculous, guys. So tomorrow will be probably the last day I do at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna have to just flip a coin and see. Shoot, man, I think I'm gonna have to be going live at 3 a.m. Get people from the other side of the world, because I can't compete. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I didn't want to do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Nope, not 4 minutes. I didn't want to. Hopefully I can get rid, do this one. So Bitcoin USDT dominance. So that's the timer for the oh my gosh. How do you look, Joe? Well, let's see here. So USDT dominance. This is on the weekly. Right now, it is coming down. It is coming down pretty hard. We did have a support level that it did break, and right here. Right here. So this is the level that we're looking at, and you know, came down and just keeps on coming down. So what does this mean? This means that, well, people are getting into trades. People are getting into trades. So whenever the dominance of USDT goes down, that means two things. One, they're either exiting the market completely, but turning this back into fiat, or they are actually entering trades and they're buying, you know, whether it's Bitcoin or an alt or a meme coin or whatever it is. That's what this is saying. So this is good. This is what we want to see. All right, so let's do Sui, and then I think that's gonna be a wrap. Then I'm gonna go into a little corner and cry, and then go into the shower and go into a fetal position and cry. Ooh, Sui. Good Lord. Good Lord. All right, here we go. So we're looking at Sui, and we're looking at Sui. It's a 6.8 billion. So this means that it won't move as fast, or rather it has a lower probability of moving fast, unlike a low market cap coin, but it can still move, and we can see it right here. So this was the zone that we're looking at. Price was right here. We're saying that it might do this. Ended up coming out here. We went over this, I think, yesterday. This is where we would have entered based off of this, not because of this, but based off of this. And this is what I'm looking at right here. And then, of course, we just continue coming up. Would I buy this? Nope, sure wouldn't. Why? It moved too much. It moved way too much. And because of this move, it's just too risky. Could it continue? Definitely, 100%. Is it likely that it will? I mean, to me, not really. But if the market, man, if the market continues what it's doing, if Bitcoin breaks out of this, man, I tell you what, everything's going to get super crazy bullish. Everything. Because we're all looking at the same levels. We are all looking at the same levels. And if we do, or rather, when we get a retrace, I would love to see the retrace come back to here, So this is what I would love to, and then I can enter this trade. Come down to here. I know it's a big pullback. This is what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Hey, we got Alexander G in the house. Alexander G, you know everybody. You know everybody's times. I'm gonna have to change times because this is ridiculous. This is the second day in a row, and this is ridiculous. Who's on right now? Who is on right now? Please help me out and give me suggestions on when I have a higher probability. Because I'm already thinking like, I'm gonna go live at 3 a.m. Eastern time. I am literally screaming for help right now. Screaming. Yesterday was so embarrassing with my numbers. And then same thing today. Man. Same thing today. So Alexander G, if you could please help me out. Give me 2 time frames that I should probably change it to. Because this 12 o'clock, 2 days in a row, not working. And I'm gonna do it one more day, Friday. And then my numbers are still the same after I cry and go into a fetal position. It's like, I'm trying to give this stuff out. I'm trying to like help people. I'm trying to save people. It's not working. Joe, your content sucks. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So this is what I think on Sui. I would love for it to come down and potentially to 2.7788. I like that. Now I know there's a lot of people that do their discords, but man, there's no way I can be dancing around like a freaking monkey around everybody. Yo, just get your content better. That's what I gotta do. And what I was gonna do, I'm literally making y'all money. Literally. I don't know what else to do. I don't know. But we go. All right, moving on. Joe, how much is that pity party? That's free, man. Come join me. Come join me. But yeah, Alexander G, if you're still here, please let me know. I need two different times. I'll probably go both live on both too. Like I'm literally trying. It's like there's fire all around me, and I have water to put out the fire, and like nobody to hand me the buckets, I guess. See here, so we just made a move from the value area low to the POC today. Nice. So it could go up to the very good, man. There you go. That's a strategy right there, using your fixed range volume profile, or your just, I forget what the other one's called. It used to call it VPVR, but now it's VRVP, visible range volume profile. Let's see here. You got West in the house. What's up? You got 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 4 p.m. You like that one? I'm gonna have to do it, man. 4 p.m. I'll do some homework for you, Joe. Thank you. I appreciate it. Like 4 p.m., 8 p.m. No, because that's when Piper goes on the Academy. Like I don't even know. But yeah, look, I don't even want to look at my numbers. I look at the numbers like you are literally going to see a grown man cry. Don't do it, Joe. Don't do it. All right, moving on. We got 1 minute left in the show. Yeah, because unless when the 1 minute timer goes off and I look and I see a okay number, then I'll stay on. But let's see here, ES1. No, I do want to look at, what else do I have on here? Oh yeah. So the ES1, let's go to the daily. So it was here. I was thinking it was going to come down, then come up. It went down a little bit further than I thought. Now it's coming up. Let's see if it does reach here. For the NASDAQ, I was looking at to come down. And I think we're looking at it right here. I believe. I don't even remember. And it did come down to this level. But it didn't go up and then come down. It just went straight down. It actually did the reverse. It went down and then it did this part. So we'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. See, 4 p.m. is a good time. Yeah, I'll probably do 4. Yeah, it just sucks though, because like all my thumbnails and all my videos, like the times are always changing. Times are always changing. Sucks. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks. See here, you want to get big numbers, you got to do giveaways. No, I don't want big numbers, man. I just want more numbers than what I got. That's all. That is literally my. I don't want, you know, big numbers, guys. I don't want big. I just want more numbers. That's it. I want to steadily grow. You know, from 2 people to 4 people to 8 to 12 to 20 to 24 to 32. That's what I want. Lately, my numbers have been going down. Lately, that's not the way it's supposed to go. It's supposed to like I'm putting in all this hard work, guys. Like doing this, what I do, it's work. It's hard work. You know, it is. See here, but those are probably people that come on in for giveaways. Yeah, true. Yeah. Like when I'm making money, and we got people joining the group, and also, I mean, we have people in the group, but when we have like a good amount of people in this group to where I can sustain and put more money into the business and everything else, then I'm gonna be like, what's his face, Mr. Beast. Like I'm gonna be giving away so much money, it's ridiculous, but it's gonna be to my members, you know, because they're the ones who you know, had faith in me. Those are the ones that believed in my trainings and stuck with me through thick and thin, ups and downs, bear market, bull market. I mean, we're making money both ways, up and down, but still, you know, you get my point. Let's see here. Put on the list. All right, time's up. So here, CJ says, I've been missing a lot of shows lately because I've been taking my mom to the doctors and stuff. Oh yeah, mom always comes first, guys. Mom always comes first. If you still have your mom, let her know how much she means to you. You know, and nobody is going to remember. Like, so for you, you know, if you're a parent, your kids are not going to remember, oh, you know, dad, he worked extra hours so that he could buy me that play set or that swing set or whatever. They're going to remember all the times you tickled them and you played hide and seek with them and you had water gun fight with them and you had pillow fight with them, and, you know, they're going to remember that stuff. So, you know, appreciate what you have. Same thing with, you know, if your parents are still alive, especially your mom, let her know. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Thank you. You're the best. Ooh, I love it. See here. Let's see here. All set says Alexander G. I need a hug. I took a loss today. Oh yeah, I took 2 losses. Kendall faked me out. Yeah, I was trying to go short on some coins, 2 coins, and they reversed. But that's part of the game. You know, you win, you lose. And the short was looking good. When we were doing this number. It was looking great. Fantastic, superb, phenomenal, outstanding. Oh, wait, what's going on? Oh, stopped out. I was like, oh, well. See, also says, sorry, man, tuning in late. Oh yeah, it's all good, brother. It's all good. Here. That's indeed. All right, good stuff. All right, guys, that's it for me. I do thank you. And let's listen to, I like this song. I really like the song. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, a bingo bit. Let's jam out to risk management. Let's make it sexy again.
What? Risk management. Keeping my losses low and my wins big. Let me tell you, let's get started.
Oh, you wanna win this game? Then protect that capital. Don't melt like polyurethane. Smart traders be like skilled marksmen, making risk management sexy again.
We stepping clean, sharp like a
That's right, guys. Let's make risk management sexy again. Thank you so much for showing up today. You guys are the absolute best. I absolutely love you guys so much. You have no idea. Well, I guess you do, because I just told you. I do thank you so much, guys. We will see you on the next one. And I'm going to be changing my times again, you know, because, well, you know the reasons. All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.